Welcome to Cambridge Motors Plumstead, established 1959. Here we have a 69 reg BMW X1 sDrive. 69 reg BMW X1 sDrive. Front parking sensors, diamond cut alloy wheels, remote central locking, keyless starting, rear parking sensors, panoramic roof, opening panoramic roof. Very nice extra. Heated leather seats with Isofix front seats. That's your instruction manuals in there. Electric rear windows. It has two USB-Cs in the middle there, and Isofix rear seat as well. Obviously panoramic roof. X1 sDrive 1.8D. Electronic tailgate. This is your inflation kit here, which has got your locking wheel nut key there. Power outlet here. To shut the tailgate, push this button. That shuts the tailgate. Four electric windows, electric folding mirrors, height adjustable driver's seat, automatic lights, automatic wipers. Vehicle's done 48,009 miles. To start the vehicle, put your foot on the brake, push this button, starts the vehicle. As long as you have the key on you. This roof will tilt. It will also go all the way back if you wish. Heated seats. Got this wind deflector here, which deflects the wind. Illuminated vanity mirrors, both sides. Dual climate. Cruise control speed limiter. Tiptronic. Obviously automatic. Drive mode, different wide drive modes here. You can turn your parking sensors off here. Nice pocket here with a power outlet there. In here you have a USB here. It also has this pocket here, and you can adjust this where you wish, or put it up out of the way, wherever you wish, really. You can move these where you wish. Navigation. This button is for self-parking. So the vehicle will, as park assist, the vehicle will park for you. We'll happily do a video of that if you wish, if you give us a call. Different mode here, voice activation, telephone button, multifunction steering wheel. This button here, stop start, turns your stop start on and off. To turn the vehicle off, you push this, turns the vehicle off. When you lock the vehicle, the mirrors will park. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call.